As I'm doing, guess what? Paper challenge is for my challenge night part 2. So what we're doing, mustard, ketchup, not too bad, and the sauce that made me throw up, and also honey. It's actually syrup honey. So this, here it goes. Let's start with the not bad ones. Just this. I can't even do with honey. I don't even like honey. Ooh. Like a paper sandwich actually to help this. And I'll fold this over first. And fold it here. Fold more and more. Coming through actually. And here it goes. God, I can't do this. Oh, God. Oh. No. That's going to make me throw up. Let's next one. Oh, God. That just made me throw up. No, seriously. That just really made me throw up. My sister. Okay. Next one. Mustard. Oh, God. Here it goes. Now add the mustard. Enough! Ayoko na. Ayoko na. Paper sandwich again. Making the paper sandwich. Oh yeah. Okay, this is more disgusting than I think. How am I going to avoid this part? Don't even think about laughing. Oh, that made me almost throw up. Next one, ketchup. It's pretty bad actually, but not too bad. Oh, just dump the whole bottle in. Not perfect. Okay, so I'm going to avoid this crap. I'm going to avoid this crap. This one is not too bad actually. I just attended. I'm sorry. Look, this one's winning. Yay! Okay, next one. The sauce. Disgusting actually. I hate the sauce. I hate the sauce. Okay, no vegetable actually. I take off the vegetable. Now it's about to. Yeah, no way. I haven't taken out all the vegetables. Okay, now hold this up. Hold this a lot of times. There's one to here. Like that. I can't do this. It makes me throw up. Dude. one. That's it. Why do you suggest this? Why did you guys eat Why did you guys even suggest this? Man, you guys are hurting me. Oh, I got a stomach ache right now. I'm serious. I'm not even kidding. My grandma again. But that's it.